Have you ever met a 100-year-old man? He's probably got a few cracks. Things don't move quite like they used to, and somebody ought to be keeping an eye on him. Well, what about a 100-year-old foundation? Los Angeles is full of houses built 60, 80, even 100 years ago. And underneath some of them is the same foundation that's been holding that house up since automobiles had running boards. Back then, they weren't building houses with everything we understand today about seismic forces, modern reinforcement, foundation anchorage, drainage, and the behavior of Southern California soils. And Los Angeles hasn't exactly been sitting still. Earthquakes, expansive soils, hillside movement, decades of wet years and dry years. Concrete deteriorates, foundations crack, houses settle. Old anchor systems can be inadequate, or sometimes barely there at all. Now, that doesn't mean an old foundation is automatically a bad foundation, but age is a pretty good reason to take a look underneath the house. At LA Structural, that's what we do. We inspect older foundations, identify what you're actually dealing with, and determine whether it needs repair, reinforcement, bolting, or whether it's doing just fine. Because if your house is 100 years old, the part holding everything else up deserves a physical too. LA Structural, 323-422-5807. Give us a call. We'll come out and take a look before the water shows up.
Do you have foundation problems? We can fix them. Call us today.
Do not wait until it's too late.
Let the games begin. Bartenders polishing